we also get asked very frequently, what happens if I miss one of the payments that I need to make on the online loan? The answer is, as with any loan, if you miss a repayment, you could very much be put into a default situation very quickly. And we found a lot of horror stories out there of people that have missed a payment, and maybe just one payment, maybe they're just a day late, and all of a sudden they're now in a default rate. And it can get pretty scary pretty quickly. So again, if you are taking out an online loan, please make sure you know when those repayments are due, because if you miss a payment, you could find all of a sudden that you have a penalty rate that's being put upon you, or maybe they're demanding the whole amount of the loan be repaid. Most online lenders will require a personal guarantee. So even though they may advertise no collateral, well, you've signed to say you're personally liable for that loan. So they will come after you for the funds if you miss some payments. Secondly, and this is pretty scary, there is a thing called confession of judgment. And again, you may have signed paperwork without realizing what this is, but essentially it means that if you miss a payment, all of a sudden they can file a judgment against you. You've confessed to that loan and you're in default, so they can go into collection immediately. There's no cure period, there's no way to rectify matters if you miss a repayment. So again, it's really scary stuff if you fall behind on an online loan. They have no way other than coming after you to collect those funds. Now in factoring, it's debt-free, okay? You are taking an advance on your receivables, but you're not having to make a repayment as we've discussed before. So there is no such thing as missing a repayment with factoring. We get paid by your customers, and we can work with you in good times and in bad. If there's a delay in a payment or a dispute on an invoice, it doesn't scare us. It doesn't put you into default. We'll work with you and get through the problem. So an online loan, again, look at the repayment terms. Be sure that your cash flow can meet those payments. Otherwise, you could have a problem very quickly. Otherwise, look at factoring. It's a much more friendly form of finance for your business. We are not just fair weather friends. We're there through thick and thin and can really help your business through some tough times.